Hi, this is Emily, and I'm going to show you how to activate your emerging plan portfolio website. Emerging websites allow you to publish unlimited creations and also publish collections. There's also a contact page that is hooked up to the email that you have with artmoi. So if anybody wants to contact you, they can fill out the contact form and it'll send an email directly to you. You are also allowed contact points such as social media. So let's get started. First, you will log into your account and navigate to Portfolio website under Add-ons. Here you will see the different plans, Standard, Emerging, and Established, and you can see the pricing here. So Emerging starts at $8 a month, or you can do a yearly option. You can also view the templates. So the Emerging plan allows you to use anything from the Standard plan or from the Emerging plan. Just to let you know, if you choose the Standard plan, you will not be able to access the contact page or the collections page. So if you are interested in using those pages, make sure you choose one of the options here. If you're not going to use those pages and just want an unlimited amount of creations to publish, you can choose from the top here. But I'm just going to go back to website plans and select the Emerging plan. I'm going to get started. I'm going to select the artworks that I want published and select Next. And I'm going to select this collection that I have to publish as well. I can change my website title. So Emily is Emerging, visual artist. And I'm going to leave my personalized free artmoi domain right here as is. Next. So now I can select the template. I'm going to select Lattice 3, which is a light theme with a top bar navigation. And activate. So now it's going to tell me what's happening while it installs my website. And there it is. So I can see my trial. You get a 14-day trial. I can see when it ends here. I can change my plan. I can view the website. I can see how many creations I have and collections I have. And then I can go to my details section and change all of this if I would like. I can change the default image format here. It can either be a crop to square, or it can be a fit image into a square box. So if you want to show the entire image that happens to be a landscape or a portrait, you would select that and then update, but I'm going to leave it as image in a square. I can see the creations, my collections, the publishing details, everything that I want to or do not want to appear on my website, including contact details here, which are located in your billing profile, and I will show you in just a moment. And then the template. So if you decide you don't want to use this template, you can change it here. So I'm going to go to my profile to show you where your contact details are. Now this is where social media would be. So because I've already got a contact page for my email address, I'm going to delete this one because I don't need it anymore. But I'm going to leave Instagram. And then if I wanted to add Facebook or Pinterest or any other site that I use, you would just change the option here and then add those details and save. Once you save, it'll give you another contact detail form so you can add more if you need. So I'm going to go back to Portfolio website and I'm going to view my website. So there it is. You can see everything that I've published. You can see my collections and my contact page, which looks just like this. And you can see on the bottom my Instagram logo here so that people can visit my Instagram page if needed. That's it for the Emerging plan. Be sure to check out the videos for both the Standard plan and the customizable Established plan.